Coming off the Toyota Tundra giveaway, there was one car you guys asked for the most. So I present to you the 2020 Ram 1500 with the 5.7 litre HEMI. So with how popular these things are, we had a good look around for you guys, and then this jumped out at us in that standout red with 30,000 kilometres and stock standard. We threw the car over to our good friends at HPW, and they've gone to town on it with nothing but the best, and we've added $20,000 of value to this. Let's go through it. So straight off the bat, the first thing you'll notice is the black accents that we've thrown on throughout the car, starting with the Bushwhacker Flares, the custom wrap bonnet, Aftermarket Grille, and that Offroad animal bull bar. Now for the wheels and tyres, we've got the Nitto Trail Grapplers in 35-inch, the American Racing AR202s in that Reet brown, and of course, sitting on that 5 inches of lift, all engineered, ready to go. So as we move to the back of the car, we've got them tinted windows, we've got that Ram box. Let's check it out. Yee, yee! It works just as it should. Rear end, we've got them smoked LED tail lights, the gigantic Ram badge so people know what they've just been run over by, the blacked out rear bumper, and the sports exhaust with cutout mufflers and twin black tips. Let's listen to that Mopar roar. All right, so we always love giving you guys the best chances possible. So with this car, we've got the entrant cap down to 4,000. But if you act quick, you're gonna get yourself double entries. So make sure you head yourself to keepreet.com.